Yeah, I'm just sitting here right now. I've been tampered into the weather. The storm I showed you, that was on our way from the dump. Fucking crazy. It's not so bad now, but at the time I'm like, oh man, this is new. My lord. Yeah, but I'm thinking about writing this one story right now. I'm also thinking about getting a laptop from Walmart sometime. It wouldn't hurt. Wouldn't hurt to check out what they got. Yeah, but just wanted to sit down, just kind of chill out for a little bit. Don't know really what to do besides listen to music. You know what I mean? Playing some Call of Duty, and it's pretty good. I like the shotgun a lot. Yeah, I fucking pooped. Oh shit. Yeah, but like I was, I don't know what I was saying. It's just been a rough time for my mental health. I guess it's seasonal stuff, you know. I always struggle with like what could have been and shit, and it's horrible. I hate it so much. I'll get through it. I'll live. My head just kind of hurts at the moment. You know what I mean? And it actually. Oh yeah. Of course, my fucking body has a fucking yawn every time I want to speak. Especially on my camera. That's bullshit, dude. That's fucking bullshit. Why can't I yawn in my own time? Oh yeah, my nose is running at the moment. No, it's actually great, is it? No, it's not. So, yeah. Just wanted to make another video. I'm not even sure what kind of videos I'm gonna make, but this'll do for now. Oh shit. Ow, what the fuck? Ow, that hurt. It hurt like a son of a bitch. That was awful. That was actually awful. Yeah, I. I'm a little bit sick. I think that's what it is. I'm just a little bit fucking sick. Yeah, I'm gonna probably hit the hay pretty quick. That's why I made this quick little video, just because I'm bored and I got nothing else going on. Yeah, I'm also able to wear one hoodie I like from now on. It's pretty sick, you know. Pretty nice to have. Anyways, I'm gonna probably hit the hay pretty soon. Fuck off, Jans. Fuck off. I hate this fucking body. He hates me enough already. God damn. Yeah, but I'm just gonna see around.